Oh! Oh!
What does that do? Nothing.
Kai just got a yellow Uno card. I don't know what the fuck that means, but he's got one of them. Alrighty, there is 1 minute left on the clock. Okay, Fanum's looking like he's gonna cook something up here, and we're not talking to him. With a glass! Yes! Wow! AJ's looking to score. It's a tie game. Oh! Hold on. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, he's strong with them knees. This brother been lying. He wearing 50 pounds on him extra. He over here being mad shifty. He never even got surgery before. This is a motherfucking lie. What a save.
My bad, I tried.